Good morning, moms. My topic is all about golden rules of professional ethics in a workplace. So, number one is always strive for excellence. This is the first rule to achieving greatness in whatever endeavor you undertake. This is the quality that makes you and your work stand out. So, always strive excellence yun para mas successful inyo ang business. Second is be trustworthy. In today's society, trust is an issue, and any employee who exhibits trustworthiness is on a fast track to professionalism. Be consistently keeping promises, being honest, and acting with integrity that demonstrate the importance of being trustworthy in all interactions. Number 3 is be accountable. To be accountable is to stand out tall and to be counted for what actions you have undertaken. This is the blameworthiness and responsibility for your actions and its consequence, good or bad. So, ang accountable is taking ownership of mistakes, learning from your failure. So, kanang dapat madawat nimo dawat nimo imo ang mga sayop or ang kuno nimo yung sa imo ang sayop ana. Number 4 is be courteous and respectful. Courteousness is being friendly, polite, and well-mannered with a gracious consideration toward others. Siyempre, imo respect ka by showing kindness, listening attentively, and treating others with respect. So, respetuhon nimo unsa man galing siya or lahi man galing mo o different man galing mo o kaning culture, dapat respetuhon gyapon nimo siya. Number 5 is be honest, open, and transparent. Honestly is a face of moral character that connotes positive and virtuous attributes such as truthfulness, straightforwardness of conduct, loyalty, fairness, sincerity, openness in communication, and generally operating in a way for others to see what action are being performed. Through candid communication, sharing information openly, and being truthful in all dealings, she upholds the principle of honesty, openness, and transparency. So, mura to. Number 6 is be competent and improve continually. Competence is the ability of an individual to a job properly, to do a job properly. It is a combination of knowledge, skills, and behaviors used to improve performance. Being honing skills, seeking knowledge, and embracing feedback for growth, he obtained competence and commitment to continuous improve. By siyang kanang mga makakaton ka og dapat kuan ka ng competent ka nga may napay mas ma-improve sa imong kaugalingon, maka-gain kag more knowledge, skills arong mas better imo ang performance. Number 7 is always be ethical. Ethical behavior is acting within certain moral codes in accordance with the generally accepted code of conduct or rules. Ang example is by upholding ethical standards, honoring commitments, and acting with unwavering integrity. She sets a shining example of honor in all endeavors. Mo siya example. Number 8 is always be honorable and act with integrity. Honorable action is behaving in a way that portrays nobility of soul, magnanimity, and a sort of meanness which is derived from virtuous conduct and personal integrity. So, ang example sa always be honorable and act with integrity is upholding ethical standards, honoring commitments, and acting with unwavering integrity. So, example. Number 9 is be respectful of confidentiality. Confidentiality is a respecting the set of rules or promises that restrict you from further unauthorized dissemination of information. So, ang be respectful of confidentiality is kanang masaligan ka kung sa mga sekreto, kanang di siya nimo imo na siyang og unsa man galing kanako imo makip siya nimo, di siya nimo ma-share sa lain nga ikaguba sa inyo ang business or kuan sa inyo ang mga ka kontra nga nagbusinessan. So dapat maayo ka mo kuan confidentially, maayo ka mo kuan sa mga information mo, tago sa mga information about sa inyong business, like that. Another example is by safeguarding sensitive information, honoring privacy, and respecting confidentiality that demonstrate a deep commitment to maintaining trust and respect for professional relationships. Number 10 is set good examples. So, syempre, applying the foregoing rules helps you improve your professionalism within your organization, but it's not complete until you impart knowledge on those around and below you. So, set good examples. So, syempre, leader ka, dapat good example po ka sa imo ang mga members para di sila mag-usaban na, para mas nindot ang kinalabasan sa inyo ang kuan. Another example is through consistent action that inspire others, demonstrate kindness, and promote positive values, sets a powerful example of leadership and integrity of those around her. Kanang kuan ba ka na bang consistent action isa? Kanang maayo ka mo inspire sa laing tawo nga dapat ba kaya na siya. Mara to. Thank you.